What's up, guys? Will H back with another video, taking a look at the Microsoft Surface Pro 9. So I picked this up a few days ago from Best Buy. They had a sale on it, and it also came with a free keyboard. Now, my keyboard they didn't have in stock at my local Best Buy here, so it should be in a few days. So I ended up picking this up because my grandson now is 15 years old, and he wants a laptop. So for the last, I'll say 4, 5, 6 months, I've been using this little gem right here. This is the Microsoft Laptop Go 2, and it's been great, man. This is what I've been carrying around, getting things done, and this is a excellent little laptop to carry around if you want something like this. So I'm going to give him this, and I decided to go with another 2-in-1, which this is what this is. You can attach the keyboard to it, or if you want to just use it as a tablet, you can take the keyboard off. And so I went this way. Now, these are very expensive. I know I could have got a 2-in-1 laptop, but on most of those, I think all of them, you can't take the keyboard off, but you can fold it over in different configurations. But I went with this, and in the past, I have had the Surface Pro 8, the Surface Pro 7, and so I'm pretty familiar with this form factor. That's why I ended up picking this up. Let's go over the specs on this. The one I have has the 12th gen Intel Core i5 processor. That's the 1235U processor. Has 8 gigabytes of RAM. Now that's the LPDDR5. You got 128 gigabytes of storage. Now the storage is upgradable on here. Very easy. You can just pop it out, get your upgraded storage. That's why I went with this one, because they charge a lot to step up to the next storage. Now this comes in different variants as well. So you can get the Core i7 with 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage. You can also get the Microsoft version of it. That's the SQ3 version. And it also has a 5G model as well. Now this is going to come with Windows 11 on it already. Now the battery in this is what they call a 47.7 WH lithium ion battery, and it's supposed to last up to 15 hours. This got 2 dual microphones. They call it Fairfield microphones. And the display on this is a 13-inch PixelSense LCD display. The resolution is 2880 by 1920. That's 267 ppi. Has a 3:2 aspect ratio, 120 hertz refresh rate. It features Windows Hello. This is Gorilla Glass 5. Has pen support and also Dolby Vision. Now this is going to have 2 front-facing speakers, 2 watts, and they're Dolby Atmos. You got 2 cameras on this. You got a front-facing camera, that's a 1080p. And you got a rear-facing camera, that's a 10 megapixel. That can shoot up to 4K video. So I am excited about the 1080p camera on the front of it. Should be good for conference calls and things like that. Now the ports on this, you got 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports. You got a Surface Connect port, and you're going to have your Surface type cover ports for connecting your keyboard. This is going to weigh 1.94 pounds. And it comes in 4 different colors. The platinum that I have, sapphire, forest, and graphite. So that's a quick rundown of the specs. Here's the front of the box here, Surface Pro 9. There's a good picture of the device there. And there it is there. So on the back of it, you can see the information there, what it includes, the Microsoft Surface Pro 9. With Windows Home 11, power supply, support for Wi-Fi 6, 6E were available, 802.11ax Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and the Thunderbolt 4 technology. And then right here, you guys can see some of the stuff I already read off right there. So let's go ahead and get into the box, check it out. All right, guys, so they make these with a little pull tab right here, which is great. Never works out completely for me. It always stops about in that area right there, and you just have to finish ripping the plastic off. So here we go. And like I said, I'm pretty excited for this. It's something different. I like Windows operating platforms, so I know this, like I said, mentioned earlier, this is expensive, and you can get yourself a decent, a real nice laptop for the price of this, but this is just something I throw in my bag, and it's going to be very nice for me. So here's the, ooh, that platinum looks good, man. Definitely like that. That is classy looking right there. Let's go ahead and get the tablet out and see what else is in the box. So you're going to get your paperwork here. So you got your Surface card here. See what's in that. So gives you everything you need to know, telling you about your ports, your cameras, your microphones, volume, power, all of that stuff. You're going to have your safety warranty information here, regulatory stuff, and then just a blank card right there. So let's put that over to the side. Then you're going to have your charger in here. And this is going to be pretty much it on the unboxing. So here's your charging cable. What I like about these, they do include the USB-C, USB-A port right there. And this is a 65-watt charger right there. So this is your Surface Connect right here. This is like a quick pull away. It'll break away if you snag on it. It'll drop off for safety. They call it Surface Connect. And that is it. Nothing else in the box. And here's the tablet. So this is very nice. So you see that 10 megapixel camera on the back. You got your Windows logo right there. Very, very nice. Going around the side of it, there are your two Thunderbolt 4 connectors there. Ports there. And then on the front, you guys see it's showing you the Thunderbolt. You got your power on and off, volume up and down, microphone, camera, and then another mic here. And that's your proprietary charger over here. You guys see you got this ventilation here. To help disperse heat. And then of course, we're gonna go ahead and take this off. So not a lot of satisfaction there, very quiet. So here's a 13-inch pixel sense display. There's your 5 megapixel camera. Very slim bezels at the top. On the sides here, the top and bottom, a little bit of a bezel, not too bad. There it is, and then here's the world famous kickstand. You guys see, this can go all the way back this far. I forgot the ratio on it, the degree. And then this is where you change out where you can get to your SSD. So with this one, you just kind of press down on it, and there it is. So that is the SSD. Right there. See, I got the 128, but I have one in my cart right now. I'm going to upgrade this to 512 gigabytes for a little bit under $100. So it's not going to be much for me to do it. So that just snaps back in place. If I can get it in place here. Just like that. So no longer has the micro SD card slot on here. So right there, this is it. Let's go ahead and see if it has any power. Now, with the Surface Pro 8, they had the power up and down, volume up and down on the side. They have also taken away the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack as well. So let's go ahead and power this up. Watch the boot up on it. And then I'm going to put my information in, and then I'll come right back and let you guys see it after it, if I got my information in. So, all right, guys, so I'm back in. I have some of my information in the tablet and had a chance to play around with it a little bit. kind of get a feel for it. It's very lightweight. The aluminum build on it is very nice, very lightweight. This should be something easy to throw in your bag, even with a case on it. Shouldn't get too heavy. With the two Type-C Thunderbolts, I forgot to tell you that you can hook up 4K monitors. You can hook up your high-speed connectors, peripherals, and things like that. You can also charge this, so you don't have to use it just charging with the Microsoft charger. You can use the Type-C as well. So you guys see, flipping it from portrait to landscape. The rotation on it is very fast, not too bad. As you guys see, the 13-inch PixelSense display looks great. Now I changed it to a dark wallpaper here. Out of the box, it was in a light wallpaper, but you can see the blacks look good. The colors look vibrant right here. I do have it, my Pinnable pen here, sync with it as well. Now I don't have the Microsoft pen, but this one works excellent with your Windows devices. So I'll leave a link in the description for this as well. You guys see the bezels on the top and bottom are a little bit thicker than the sides, so not quite uniform going all the way around, but still looks good. And like I said, very lightweight, and I do like the hinge on the back of it. So over here, this is like your widgets, news feed, or whatever over here. You can very easily get in, check out what's going on over there. This side over here, you're going to have your notifications and your calendar right there. You're also going to have your toggles over here for, you know, adjusting things like your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, your volume up and down, your stream brightness. You can also go into your settings right here. Out of the box, the storage on this. Let's go in and check the storage out. Now I've only added a few apps on here. Came with about 84 gigabytes of storage free. And as you guys see, I'm all the way down to 78 gigabytes free on this. So I'm definitely going to have to upgrade the storage if I want this thing to be, if I want it to be something that's going to be worth my time, because I'll definitely fill that up very fast if not careful. So Windows 11 out of the box, as you guys see. I haven't checked to see if I have any updates yet, but probably so. So this is in tablet mode right here. When I do hook up my keyboard, when it comes in, this will go into laptop mode. So still in tablet mode, you can go in, press on the display. You can view, sort by, refresh, paste shortcuts, news. Just like your regular PCs, everything is here. It's a full functioning PC right here. So let's go into all of our apps. So these are pre-installed here. You get stuff like Edge, your browser there, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Now you have to download these, but they're ready to go right there. You got your Microsoft Surface Store there. You got OneNote, Xbox. I think you get like 1 month of free play on that. Office. You got some games, Spotify, Kindle app there, different things there. And then when you get into all your apps, this is what you're going to get here. As you guys see, it comes with the calculator, camera, calendar, camera, different things. You got a file explorer there. Then you get into your media player, your Microsoft stuff there, OneNote, so on and so forth. You do have an app down here where you can pair your phone as well. Right there, and you got your Xbox Game Bar, like I said. So, so far, not too bad. Let's take a look at the camera. Now, this has a front-facing 1080p camera on here, which I do want to check out. So let's go ahead and check out. Here it is right here. So 1080p should be pretty good. There I am there. You guys see, and it looks pretty good there. Now, you can go in and adjust your ISO. You can adjust different things there, as you guys see right there. So it gives you the ability to do that as at least on the camera. So let's check out Windows Hello, man. I got my face set up on here. Let's go ahead and turn the display off. I'm going to click the button again, swipe up. It's looking for me. As soon as it sees my face, it's going to go right into it. Let's do that again. I'm going to swipe up. It's looking for me. As soon as it sees my face, it's jumping in. So Windows Hello works great on this. Let's go ahead and try out the rear-facing camera as well. So let's go for camera again. So this is a front facing. Let's go ahead and turn it around. Takes a few seconds before it turns around. And let's look at this image here. Snap a quick shot. So there's the picture there. And as you guys see, not the best quality, but it will do if you're someone out that's using your tablet for business and you need to take a quick snapshot of something, and there it is. So let's go ahead and check out the two speakers. You guys see I have put my favorite web browser on here, Chrome. Your two speakers up here, they're 2-watt speakers, Dolby Atmos. Let's go to my channel on YouTube. And you guys get to see just how fast that loads or how fast it doesn't load. Let's go to my channel and we'll play this video because it does have a little music to it. Probably going to get an ad first here. Yep, so let's wait until this ad gets through. We're going to skip it. Let's go ahead and turn the volume back up. And you guys get a chance to look at the screen display here. Some photos I took here. That's max volume. So you do have some spaces here at the top and the bottom. So it's not full display here now. This is through Chrome browser. So speakers are loud. Let's go ahead and stop this. Speakers are loud. Display looks great as well. And everything seems to be flowing pretty good here. Now this has a 120 hertz refresh rate. So shouldn't have any issues strolling about on anything on here. Should be pretty good. So far my unboxing and first impression of it, it is very nice. Very lightweight, compact, and it's going to be nice. I do like this platinum color. It's very nice as well. A little size comparison. Tablet that I have right here close by. Now this is my Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. As you guys see, the Tab S8 is an 11-inch tablet, so it's going to be quite a bit smaller and thinner than the Windows laptop here. The Windows laptop is a full operating PC device, so this is Android. So, but this little tablet is great, man. I'm going to do a follow-up on this tablet as well. It's been great. So, yeah, man, this is my first look and impressions of the Microsoft Surface laptop, Microsoft Surface Pro 9. Got so many of them around here. Anyway, I'll follow up on this in a few days. Will H, I'm out.